Yaga is a character from Polish legends and fairy tales who inspires both fear and curiosity. Character, a person or figure in a story. She is portrayed as a very old, hunched woman with a long, crooked nose and messy hair. Portrayed, shown or described in a particular way. Her face is wrinkled and her eyes are sharp and piercing, causing fear. Wrinkled, having small lines or folds, usually due to age. She lives in a dark forest, in a hut that stands on a single chicken leg. Hut, a small, simple house or shelter. The hut can spin around, making it difficult to find. Spin, to turn around quickly. The forest where Baba Yaga lives is dense and dark. Dense, closely packed together, thick. Around her hut, there is often a fence made of bones, which further scares off people who might wander there. Fence, a barrier that surrounds or encloses an area. Baba Yaga has magical powers. Special abilities to do something extraordinary. She can fly on a broomstick or in a large mortar, which she steers with a pestle. Broomstick, a long stick used for sweeping, often associated with witches. She moves swiftly and silently through the skies, watching the forest and those who dare to enter her domain. Swiftly, moving very quickly. According to the legends, Baba Yaga is very dangerous, especially for children who get lost in the forest. Dangerous, likely to cause harm or injury. Some stories say that she kidnaps them and takes them to her hut, and sometimes even eats them. Kidnaps, to take someone away illegally or by force. That's why many fairy tales warn children not to go into the forest alone. Warn to tell someone to be careful about something. However, Baba Yaga is not always evil, something that is very bad or harmful. In some stories, she helps those who are brave and kind. Brave, ready to face danger without fear. She is the guardian of secret knowledge and magical objects, which she gives only to those who deserve her help. Guardian, someone who protects or takes care of something. Heroes often come to her for advice or magical items, but they must be careful, as Baba Yaga doesn't like liars or greedy people. Advice, an opinion or suggestion about what someone should do. Her hut is full of various magical things and herbs, plants used for medicine, food, or flavoring. Baba Yaga knows all the secrets of the forest, can talk to animals, and control the forces of nature. Secrets, things that are kept hidden or unknown. Although she can be frightening, she is also a symbol of wisdom that comes from nature. Wisdom, the ability to make good decisions based on knowledge and experience. Stories about Baba Yaga have been passed down from generation to generation and continue to fascinate people. Generation, a group of people born and living at the same time. Her tale reminds us that the world is full of mysteries and that courage, honesty, and respect for nature are very important. Mysteries, things that are difficult to understand or explain. Baba Yaga is not just a figure meant to scare, but also teaches us that the unknown can sometimes be a source of great wisdom. Unknown, something that is not known or familiar.